Hi guys, welcome to Epic Videos. Today I am going to show you how to edit a photo with lasso tool in Photoshop. Open the Photoshop and create a new page. Then open the images. Now go to image that is our object is in and select lasso tool. Then right-click on it and select magnetic lasso tool. Now click on the place that you want to select and crop. When we moving the mouse point, the tool will automatically select the area by recognizing the color. So this is very easy to make. If you have select a wrong place, you can remove it by pressing backspace button. After selecting all, click and select Move tool and move it to our background image layer and place it on a suitable place. You can change size by pressing CTRL+T. Now we can save our image like that. Here is it. Okay, this is my today video and thanks for watching. Stay on my channel. Epic Videos.